Hello everyone, this is Ishant here. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn about creating a data frame using the dictionary of list concept. In front of us, here we have a question here along with the tabular data shown. Here, the column names are represented by different professions, say doctor, engineer and lawyer, and the row values are represented by different cities, say Delhi, Mumbai, Nagpur, Raipur and Jaipur, along with the data values as shown. So, before creating this data frame, let's try to understand the skeleton, how the data frame concept works here. Since we are creating dictionary of list, we have to first create a object, a dictionary object. We already know that in a dictionary, there is a key value pair. Here, when we use the dictionary concept in data frame, the keys are converted into column name and the values are converted into the index names or the indexes of the table or the tabular data. So let's try to write a simple program. We are going to create this table. How we can create? Let's look at here. Since we already know that a data frame is nothing but a data structure of pandas, so for using it we are required to import the pandas. So I am going to import pandas as pd. You can give any alias as per your requirement. I am taking pd. After that we are required to create a dictionary object. Why? Because we are going to create a data frame using the dictionary of list concept. So I am going to create a dictionary object, say dct1. You can give any name as per your requirement. I am taking it as a dct1. dct1 is nothing but the dictionary object. So as per the question, we have doctor, engineer and lawyer. It means we have 3 columns are there. So since we have 3 columns, it is required to have 3 keys in a dictionary. So for the first key is doctor. So doctor, doctor. Then what are the different values of the doctor? That are the 23, 56, 74, 84 and 17. So I am going to write these values here. Say the values are 23, then 56, then 74, then 84 and then 17. Clear? So this was actually the values that comes under the doctor profession. In the same way we are going to create it for engineer. Just a minute. The second key will be ENGINER, engineer. Now let's create the values pair here. That is the, as per the question, 63, 74, 63, 74, 96, 51, 96, 51, then 28. So this was for the second column. Since here the keys are converted into column, you must have you must know that when you are using this concept, you must keep in mind that the keys will represent the column name here. And now the last one, that is the lawyer. Sorry, YER is there, not letter. Okay. Now again I am going to create the value pair here. So the values are 90, 28, 90, 28, 83, 59, 83, 59, 45. Clear? So now we have created 3 columns here. Now after this concept, you must remember that this is the first element of the or first member of the dictionary. This one is the second member of the dictionary and this one is the third member of the dictionary. Since this is the last member of the dictionary, hence it is not required to give a comma here. After that, now we have to do a new thing, that is we have to create a data frame object. So say a data frame, the name of the data frame object is df2. df2 is equal to, say, the alias pd dot data frame. Now after that, what we are going to do, we are going to pass the simple values dct. Clear? Now the values are passed here, dct1, sorry. Okay, after this we have to print the values in the screen, so we are required to use the print function. The name of the data frame is df2. We will pass here so that we can generate the output. Now let's try to run and see what happens. So as you already know that I have already explained you that these values doctor, engineer and lawyer are nothing but the column labels. Why? Because the keys of the dictionary are now converted into column. But since we haven't labeled the index values here, therefore this has been generated by default from 0 onwards. So in order to give a particular index, have a particular name, what we have to do, we have to declare here index. So say index index. Now what we have to declare, the name of the cities correspondingly. So Delhi, Mumbai, Nagpur, Raipur and Jaipur, these are the values here. So I am going to pass these values in the list. Say Delhi, then Mumbai, Nagpur, Raipur, Mumbai, Nagpur, Raipur, and the last one is the Jaipur. Okay, so in this way I have created a index, the name of the index values. So here what is expected output here, since this is already compiled one, this is already the interpreted one, doctor, engineer and lawyer, this value 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 will be represented by the index values Delhi, Mumbai, Nagpur, Raipur and Jaipur respectively. It means 0 will be replaced by Delhi, 1 will be replaced by Mumbai, then 2 will be replaced by Nagpur, 3 will be represented by or replaced by Raipur, and the last one 4 will be represented by or removed by or replaced by Jaipur. So let's try to run this program, and now here we come to know that we have created a data frame using the dictionary of list concept. So in this way we can create a dictionary of list data frame program. I hope that you have learned this concept thoroughly. If you have any doubts regarding this concept, please let me know in the comment section, and if you like this session, please give a like and subscribe this channel so that you will not miss any upcoming updates regarding this concept and many more concepts that are related to the computers. So that's it for today's class. I hope that you have learned something new here. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.